Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been uploading any videos lately, but it's because I've been super busy and all, and I'm kind of thinking of some new stuff that I want to put on my channel. So oh sorry, I'm watching Bear Bears. So as I was saying, yes, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna start uploading like series with my cousins and stuff, like about relationship, friendship, and just stuff about life. So I'm on my way to this party right now with my cousins, and I'm on my way to this party right now, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm just going to do a series, like I'm going to show you guys like the outfit of the day, which is this will be like the outfit of the night. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna let my cousin Snapchat my entire outfit, and this outfit was like custom made. I had a birthday outfit custom made by the designer that custom made this outfit for me as well. And the party is like a water party, Riva Maddness hot jugs water party. But I'm not the type to like be in like straight swimsuits and just that's it. Like I'm not like that. So I love to look unique and stuff. So yeah. But my cousin them then go look at, so I go video my atters cousin them, because when I'm going where they never show out. You see me, so when them call me, I wait on them to call me. This the bug me, I don't know what this. Oh, something with me. Really? So yeah. So when me cousin them call me, I go and video them and I go see say cousin them hot. And them dress for the pool party, so just imagine everything out. Floss out, them a floss out tonight. With them ass out. So yeah. So see you guys in my next video. Or you guys will see my outfit by the way. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will upload videos every Tuesdays and Fridays, and like I said, I will start uploading some series with my cousins about relationship, friendship and all this stuff. So bye. Hello.